Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this day trade, I am in ticker JCP, and I have 1,000 shares at $2.46. And basically what I was looking at right here is I watched it on the 5-minute chart to break up here, and then I kind of, just wanted to see what this next candlestick would bring. And so this is actually when I bought in. I was red for a little while, for about 15 minutes right here on this chart, and then right here is where it changed. And as you can see, this had uptrended for the most part of the day, and I'm just kind of waiting to see what it's going to do here, because I'm really not too sure. Well, I really don't feel that it's going to keep on uptrending like this the rest of the day, just because JCP is really a crazy stock to trade. So I'm just gonna play this one out, keep an eye on my level 2s. Right now we got a pretty good support at $2.57, and the support is a lot stronger at $2.57 compared to the next resistance at $2.58. So I'm going to sit here and just watch this for another moment. I'm probably going to sell, and we'll just see what happens. Alright, so I just sold it. Kind of started going down a little bit. This 5-minute candlestick, it keeps changing between a doji and a little bit of a bullish candlestick, but that just basically indicates just indecisiveness. And I already passed up profit already as it is, compared to when if I should have sold. Well, in a picture perfect scenario, I would have sold here at $2.61. But the thing is, you never know when the top is happening, and obviously right here, I just wanted to wait it out, and it did pull back, and I was just wanting to see if it pulled back and create that new high again. And it came back below this Bollinger Band, bounced off this EMA line, and it's struggling right here to even make it back up to here. So I just went ahead and just locked in that profit of 110, and that's pretty good for having a little over right at $2,500 invested just for a simple day trade. And if you watch my free course that I have on my YouTube channel, I got 2 playlists. In this playlist, each one's a different style. Playlist 2 is this one right here with the Bollinger Bands. The core information is still the same. It's just each playlist just shows a different style. So there's actually been a lot of great reviews on it, and I'm glad it's helping people out as they are going through it, and it's giving them a lot of insight on things that they didn't know. And that's what this is all about. It's about helping out, and really there's there's no point for us not to help each other out. We are all here to try to make money, and it's just, I don't know, it's just the best thing I feel like we can do as people, especially the ones who make a living out of trading. Like with me personally, I love trading. It is hard though to become better at trading, and when you're looking for this education and everything, there's so many people out there who they're just trying to scam you into paying for courses. Now there is one course that is paid that I would recommend, and if you want to know about it, well, actually, you know what, I was gonna seek permission to ask the gentleman first, but I'm just gonna say it. I'm sure he won't mind. You know, his name is Brad Smith. You know, from Own the Chaos. Very good dude. In no way am I affiliated with him. I mean, he doesn't even know me. But if you watch his YouTube videos and everything, and he has his own company called WeTradeHQ.com, and you know they have their own forums and everything, and they are, you know, a tight knit community over there, and they have a lot of good things going on. And like I said, I mean, you know, Brad doesn't even know me. In no way am I affiliated with them at all. I just feel the need to speak the truth on certain things that go on in this social media world with trading and everything. So if that's something you're interested in, you know, look them up and reach out to them. I know they'll help you. So, you know, anyways, with this trade though, you know, it turned out pretty good for me. I'm not sure what this ticker is going to do for the rest of the day, but hey, I made my profit. It's time to move on to the next one. So I'm doing pretty well today so far. I actually haven't taken a red position. Well, I haven't closed out a red position today. Obviously, this one right here, this one did go red on me for a little bit, and if it would have broke past this middle average line right here, I would have sold off and took that loss. And you know, if I would have sold off, took that loss, and then if it would have ran up, whatever, you know, I mean, you can't win them all, but the main thing is you have to work with what you have in the moment. And if that would have happened right down here, that was that moment, it could have just kept tanking on me. But it didn't happen like that. It actually bounced off this line and kept going up, and it worked out great. And as you can see up here, it's kind of just trying to figure itself out. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.